Welcome back. Welcome to the new section where we are going to explore more about Python programming. In this section, we are going to learn about operators. When we talk about operators, we are going to talk about multiple types of operators that are there. We have assignment operators, we have arithmetic operators, we have comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, identity operators, Python membership operators, and there is a concept called as operator overloading, which you should be aware as a programmer. We also talk about operator precedence. These are some of the topics that we are going to learn in this particular section. Can we move on to understand what operators mean? Let's understand what is operator. Operators are objects which specify a relation between two operands or two variables, and it can carry out an operation, a calculation, an assignment, and it can make a comparison. So operators are the foundational blocks when you talk about a programming language. Even Python has certain set of operators that are predefined. So there are different operators here, like arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, and membership operators.